Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here I solve LeetCode problems and prepare to record interview. Today's problem number 2225. Find players with 0 or 1 losses. Medium level. You are given an integer array matches. Their matches I equals to list of winner and losses. Indicates that the player winner I defeated player loser I in a match. Return the list answer of size 2. The answer 0 is a list of all players that haven't lost any matches. Answer 1 is a list of all players that have lost exactly one match. The values in the two lists should be returned in increasing order. Note: you should only consider the players that have played at least one match. The test cases will be generated such that no two matches will have the same outcome. Let's do it. I think I can solve it quite straightforward, and what I can do, I will create a dictionary players and fill it next way. Keys will be all players, so it's all winners and losses, and key will be the number of winners that player defeated. And finally I will get all players that didn't lose or have lost one time, and return it in sorted order. Let's do it. First of all, let's create a dictionary players, just empty dictionary, and check each item in matches. Each item is a list of two items, winner or loser. So winner, loser in matches. And let's fill key for winner if winner not in players. Just create new item with 0. And for loser we need to do the same, but increment 1, because he'll have lost this much. So players loser equals to previous value. We can use method get at key loser and value by default 0 in the case that previous value didn't define, and +1. Now we have a dictionary with all players, and we need to fill two lists. Let's create it: zeros, empty list, and ones. Zeros will be the list with players who didn't lose, and ones is a list with players who have lost exactly one time. And let's check dictionary for player in players, and let's create values. If player equals to 0 appended to zeros. And else if player equals to 1 appended to ones. Now we have two lists and need to return it in sorted order. So return. To return in sorted order, we can use function sorted. First zeros and sorted again ones. So that's it. Let's check tests. Something wrong. Check again. Small mistake, zeros. Let's submit it. It works and pretty efficient. It's quite simple solution. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.